We'll guide you through where to find the clipboard on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The clipboard is a really useful thing because when you go and copy stuff, it's then put onto the clipboard. So let's go and say you copy some text, it'll go and be added there. And you can then open up the clipboard, you can go through the different things you copied and choose you want to go and paste. I find this really convenient because sometimes I copy something and then I copy something else and I go to paste it and it goes and pastes the most recent thing. But with the clipboard, we can go and paste older things we've gone and copied. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. To get started, go and swipe up and you need to go and find settings. You need to go and swipe across to find it or use a search at the top. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down, go and find the option for general management and you can tap there. And then what you want to do is make sure you're using the Gboard. You can press keyboard list and default. If you're struggling to go and find that, you can always use a search at the top and make sure for default keyboard, you're using the Gboard. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go and open up somewhere where you can access the keyboard. That can be a web browser, messages, just anywhere where the keyboard goes and pops up. So in this case, I'll go and use Chrome, but as I said, it doesn't matter. Now you want to go and tap somewhere where the keyboard goes and opens. So I could go and tap in this search bar here, for example. Now you'll see the keyboard opens up. What you need to do is go to the top left of the keyboard. There you're going to see the options button like so. And what you can then do is go and tap on it and you'll go and see these different options. And at the bottom or somewhere on this page, you're going to see the option for clipboard. You may need to go and scroll, but you shouldn't need to. There it is. So what you can do is you can go and tap on it to open it up. But if you want to be able to easily access it again in the future, what you can do is tap and hold on it, and you can then go and drag it to this top bar, because then it will go and appear above the keyboard. If you've got any text typed, you'll need to go and press back to have it, or just press the options button. And then what you can do is you can go and tap on the clipboard and you'll go and see it here. As you can see, that's the most recent thing I've gone and copied. Make sure you've got this switched on. There's a switch in the top right. If it's switched off, it won't go and be saving. So make sure you press turn on like so, and there it is. So let's go and say I go and type something. Let me do that now. I'll just go and show you that it's going and working. I could go and type in guide. Then if I go and open up the clipboard like so, you'll go and see I just copied guide and it's there. And then to go and paste it, I can literally just go and tap on it like so, making it really convenient.